Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You scared me. I got fart when I get scared. Oh, yes, I swear. Oh. No, you're good. I just fart when I get scared. I'm sorry. You did. You scared it right out of me. You have a good day, though.
You can clean yourself down.
I'm going to. That's where I'm headed.
I don't either.
What the fuck, bro? Are you
My
fucking
bad,
kidding me, dude?
I had a lot of protein. Been going to the gym a lot, bro.
Fucking shut in it, bro. What's wrong with you?
I mean, I need some glasses.
Oh, damn, bro. I didn't need an ambulance, bro. What the fuck's wrong?
No, dude. I've been lifting a lot, man. My bad.
This shit on the fast.
Yeah, I'm just got this six pack going on and stuff, man. My bad, bro. I mean, it's my bad, dude. Damn, he don't drink protein or anything?
No, we just don't walk up.
Hell yeah. My bad, bro. You guys need like some steroid hookup? I got you. You know what I'm saying? Alright.
No, I don't bother.
Oh no, they're not illegal. Nah, bro.
My bad, guys. Happens.
My wife got something and it worked for now, so some sort of shampoo. Bless you.
Thank you, man. Whew. All right. Oh, that didn't mean to do that one. Oh.
But also, a lot of my earbuds over here now have mics on. There's one cheap neck, can you do that? Got versus those, the LG tones, probably my best one over there. I several shade. You still get a lot.
This will match me very well. Ooh. Ooh. My bad. Sorry. Oh, excuse me.
Was that you or
I think it was them.
him? It doesn't cease if you do that.
Sorry, no, you're good.
God dang.
You